Okay, today I will show you how to use the minimap and also how to unlock a teleporter. So as you can see at the bottom right, there is a minimap and it shows you what's happening from the top, and you can see some symbols, and here you can see the money symbols. So there are 3 of them. You can see that maybe there is one hidden in the middle. You see only 2 on the ground, so you go up on the top of this thing, and then here you find a hidden money spawner. The minimap can help you to get some money or to find some weapon. There are a lot of different symbols, and that's it. So let's go look the teleporter. Now I want to teleport somewhere, and there is a teleporter here, but I cannot use it because I need a gray key. So how I can find a gray key? If I try to go pass through, then I get electric shock. There is no way I can use this teleporter. I need to touch it to teleport somewhere. So there is a symbol of the gray key here, and I can try everything. I can run on it. Not possible. So I know where the gray key spawner is, so that's why I go to the beach. It's here, it's hidden. Here it is somewhere. You can see that's the spawner, so you just have to grab it. When you go on it, you can press E, and then you will have one gray key. You can see in the panel there is the gray key symbol, and there is a 1 now, so you took 1. You cannot take it 2 times, but it can respawn, and you can come later and maybe have another key. It depends. Now I can go back to my teleporter, and I have to do everything quick because you can see the life of the island is going down, up. Yes, now I unlocked the teleporter and I can pass through it. Now I'm teleporting. This allows me to go to a place where I could not go normally. Small mini island where there is a money here, a money spawner. So I got the money, and now I can go back using a teleporter that's not locked. So just pass over it and then I teleport. So now I am back on the main island, and I can go look the teleporter there. It's still here. If I walk on it, I can use it. It's permanently unlocked, but I cannot take the money again, of course. Let's go back, and now you can see the life of the island is almost down. Is 0.2 error. So I didn't finish the level, the challenge, before the island died. Have to be better next time.